Hi party people, how is everybody? Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. My name is Jennifer Woolsey and I am a top leader with AVON whose phone is not wanting to cooperate this morning. So hopefully we got it fixed. Okay, we're going to do a quick makeup tutorial and show you a few makeup tips that I've been working on and get ready for our day. So I hope you're doing great. I've already gone in this morning and done my morning skincare regimen. You guys know that I'm a firm believer in skincare. Even if you're not putting any makeup on, you still want to do your skincare. So I'm using my Zika Peptide emulsion to help with like a little mini facelift. Suck up that loose skin. My Belif Aqua Bomb is going to help with my pore size, wrinkles, some primer in it, and added some moisture. It's awesome. Love it, love it. I've added in my new vitamin C brightening eye serum. It is live in a week. So excited. Y'all are gonna love that product. Okay, I've already done all the makeups or all the skincare. So let's hit it with our VTL Lima Layer Primer and get this face primed and ready to go. We're just gonna put a little bit on our skin. The cool thing about this primer is it just takes a little bit. Like, it does not take much at all to really give your face that little bit of extra glow and prime it so that your makeup will stick to it, because we want our makeup to stick for a long time. Cashmere Complexion, speaking of which, is 24-hour wear. We are going to... So tell me in the comments, say hello whenever y'all hop in, say hi, let me know that you're here. Have you been venturing out into the world? Have you seen other human beings? We in Texas are not on a strict lockdown anymore, so they've raised some of the restrictions. So we actually got together for Mother's Day, had an outdoor picnic. It was very fun. No, we still social distanced, but we spent a little bit of time together as a family for my husband's mother, and it was a lot of fun. So, you know, I think it's about looking for creative ways to still get out and see your people and feel human again. And I think it definitely brought in just a needed relief from feeling isolated from the world. That's not a good feeling. So I hope that I've put that on my hand, FYI, and that's where I'm picking it up from. I hope that you are finding ways to be able to connect with your people. We've done like a Zoom game night with some friends, and of course video messaging with my sisters so that we could see each other, which isn't entirely because of COVID. One of my sisters lives several states away, so have to do what we can to get connected there. All right, let's use our Cashmere Complexion in shade Matcha for our concealer. I love matcha. Matcha. Gonna go down in a downward motion here too. Let that set for just a few minutes. We are doing that because when you do that downward motion, it pulls the light away from your face, and so you want to pull it away from your face. Gonna go in with our new tattoo station and work on these brows a little bit. I'm debating whether to cut my hair or not. This is the length. What do you think? You know, I don't know. It just seems like we're going on like almost 4 months since I've had a haircut, because I hadn't had it cut for a while before the quarantine, and then the quarantine hit, and of course nobody was getting any haircuts. And now I'm like, well, I'm kind of over the hump. It's touching my neck and it's not absolutely driving me insane, so I could let it grow a little bit more. What do you think? Should I let it grow, leave it, or cut it short? So I'm open to opinions. I also considered dyeing it red, like red. Not sure that one's gonna fly. The Hubs is not a big fan of that. He was like, yeah, let's not do that. I like your hair brown. Like, fine. Fine. Ruin the party. Ruin the party then. Okay. So we got those brows penciled in. Filled in. They're not penciled in. They're filled in. We're going to do a little contouring today because I feel like this face needs some contouring. So we're using our Transformation Contour Stick. I hear a special guest. Do I have a guest joining me? Do I have a special guest joining me? Come here. Okay, I'm going to take that ring finger. Oh, and he's a little happy. He's a happy little boy. Say hi. Say hi, friends. You take your pillow out, let them see your cute smile. Come here. Say hi, people. This is my Lukey. He is a sweet, happy boy most days. Our internet is not working at our house, so he is kind of on the rampage today, looking for anything he can get into. It's going to be a fun day. It's going to be one of those days. It's okay. I'm going to take my Beauty Blender now, and I'm going to blend in that contouring just to make a little bit of a shadow so that our cheeks appear thinner, because we indulged in a few quarantine snacks, or a lot. Or a lot. I need to start walking and doing better things for my body. I've already decided it's way past time for that. Okay, so we're contoured, we are concealed, we are locked, we are loaded, we are ready to go. So we are going to set with our Magix Dust Setting Powder. Locked, loaded, and ready to go. How do you like that? Okay, I'm just going to brush it over my hair. The bad thing about long hair is it gets in your face, in your face, in your face. So, I don't know. Hi, Twyla. Good morning. Do you think I should cut my hair? I need your opinion this morning. I was talking about how I haven't had a haircut in like, I don't know, 4 months. And I'm kind of at the point where I think I may just let it grow out. Okay. That powder is set, and here we go. Let's use our Mocha Latte in the Aqua. We're going to pick up that one first and cover the base of the eye. Get a good coverage in there. I put a little bit of that primer, and then I put a little bit of that concealer on the lid of my eye, because I wanted to make sure that my eye makeup stays. So if you're having a problem with your eye makeup staying all day, make sure that you're priming that area. And you can even put a little added concealer. It's going to give that makeup something to grab onto and to stay all day. Okay, in the, what's this called? The quad. So we used 1, so we're going to go in with 2 now. That's the cool thing about these quads, is they're numbered for you and they tell you where to go and what to do. So we're just going to bring that up on that crease bone. Here we go. And I'm bringing it back down just a little bit, making a V. There we go. Good morning. Oh, I'm so glad you love it. You have to post a before and after picture for me. Cindy tried our new Cashmere Complexion. I'm in love with this foundation, y'all. I mean, for real. 24-hour wear, and nothing has ever stayed with me for 24 hours. And I'm totally getting every bit of that. I'm doing Zoom calls until late in the night with my team, school stuff, and it is staying all day. It is for the win, for sure. Okay, so then we're going to go in with 3. And I'm going to use it as my blending color. I'm going to bring it over a little bit more and blend it into that crease. What is your favorite part? I'm excited to hear. What is your favorite part of your new makeup? If you guys need a color match, let me know. I'll be happy to match your color and help you find the right shade. It is everything. All right. We didn't do 4. Typically, you could use 4. I guess we can do it. Let me show you. You can use 4 as kind of a... Here, I got to find a different brush. You can use 4 as a little bit of a liner if you want to add a little bit of an liner on that lid. There we go. You can also use this brush and pull a little bit of it down. If you want to pull a little bit of that color down and blend underneath. I'm a big fan of bringing that lighter color in just a little bit more in here. Gives your eyes a little bit more of a dimension. There we go. All right, we are going in now with our SuperExtend Precision. The other cool thing about a quad is you really can't mess it up because it's telling you where your steps are. So it's walking you through step by step where you use each color. So then you know how to blend it, how to make it all work together. Yes, that Magix dust definitely feels like silk on your skin. And the staying power that you get with that Magix dust is everything. Went a little darker with that line today. That's okay. I'm gonna go in here. Do y'all hear my little man? He is into everything today. It is going to be an into everything kind of day. That's okay. That's just life. All right. And then underneath. If the internet guys will get the internet up quicker, he'll quit. Hey, handsome. You want to say hello? Hold on just a second. Mom finished with the eye pencil, and you can pop your head in. Okay. Say hello. You are rotten today. Rotten today. All right, we're going to curl these lashes with a little Love mascara. Go. Or curl these lashes with our lash curler and then coat them in some Love mascara. There we go. Give us some love and some lashes. What do you think about that Love mascara, sister? Are you using it? What do you think? It has these little heart-shaped fibers in it that attach to your lashes, and it just makes them explode. I mean, so much love in one mascara. And it's like $8.99. You can't really go wrong with it. I have a whole mirage of mascaras that I've tried and never found one that I love better than Love mascara. It is for sure the winner. Okay, let's do our Coral ink cushion. Just gonna pat that in just a little bit. Look at that. Get yourself a little bit of glow. Respect in Mattitude. Just gonna give a little pop of color to those lips. We don't need a whole bunch of color. Okay, let's get this look. What do you think? Are you loving it? Is this something that you could pull off? Totally an easy, quick way to do a little bit of makeup. Let's do a few curls. Let's see if we would rather go with a curl. This has two little buttons. You can either curl it away from your hair or to your hair. We're gonna curl it away. See if we decide. The other good thing about letting my hair grow out is that it can curl now. Before didn't have enough hair to let it curl. So I'm loving that I have that flexibility to be able to do a little bit of an added curl. It's kind of dark in here. I'm not sure. Can y'all see that curl? It's so pretty. So pretty. I love it. Not sure why my light, maybe because it's so dark outside, is why my light's not pulling it. Oh, good. Yes, thank you. Send it to me. I think people will love to see. The other very cool thing about this curl and spin is if you have long hair, it's going to work beautifully. If you have shorter hair, it's going to work beautifully. But it has this neat little mechanism in it that if it starts to get tangled up, it will stop itself. So it will kick it back. So it will not, you got to put this part against your head. But it will kick it back so that it will not pull your hair or hurt your hair, which is my favorite part about it. So even after you do, you can still kind of, I'll have to go back and do the underlying layers, but I like to do the top layer because it's so pretty. So who do you know that needs a cool graduation gift? Who do you know that loves to curl their hair and is like spending hours in their bathroom? This is literally just a couple of minutes. Go through your head, bam, 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 get it all curled, ready to go for the day, and you are done. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Of course, if you need color matching, let me know. Happy to help. You can leave a message here or private message me. If you want to actually do your own virtual makeover, you can do that on your avon.com/jwoolsey, and you can pick the color of whatever you're looking, lipsticks, you can pick the color of your foundations. It will let you kind of just do a little bit of everything. So definitely want to check that tool out at your avon.com/jwoolsey, WOLSEY. And please share this video because somebody might be looking for some makeup tips to help themselves lift themselves up and feel better, and or they may be looking for a hair curler to get some curls going on. So there we go. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please share, check out the website, check out the virtual makeover, and I'll see you all soon. Bye guys.